What's up, viewers? Eric from Sonic. We just finished installing an Apple CarPlay on this 2015 4Runner Limited. And now that we have it installed, I want to do a quick demonstration for you guys just to show you how it works, how to operate, and so forth, just in case if you decide to buy one. Okay, so we want to go to our Apple CarPlay mode. How do you do it? First, go ahead and select your source to aux, because your Apple CarPlay audio is going to be coming in through your aux mode. So now that we have that set, go to your power button and go ahead and double click it. Not too fast, but in a pretty slow manner. And once you do that, you'll find that the screen turns into system ready. That means it's ready to take in either the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto that you want to plug in. And for this vehicle install, we use a special harness so that we can utilize the factory USB connector over here. So this is the genuine factory USB connector. We didn't do anything with it. We just added a harness. How you make the Apple CarPlay come out is first go ahead and just connect any sort of Apple certified lightning cable, just like this. And then go ahead and just grab your iPhone and just plug it. And once you plug it, give it a little bit and you'll see the Apple CarPlay device. The very first time you use it, it may ask you to unlock your phone, and it might ask you to authorize or to allow this device to control your phone. And once it's in the Apple CarPlay mode, you can go ahead and just lock your phone, just set it aside. It's going to be charging while it's connected. And now you have the full functionality of an Apple CarPlay on your factory screen, as you can see over here. And depending on what apps you have on your phone, will display the Apple CarPlay compatible application. So far on my phone, I have Waze, Pandora, I have Google Maps, I have podcast audio, and all these other applications that you can see over here. And the whole entire system will work as a normal Apple CarPlay system. Like for example, say that I want to use Waze to get some direction.
All set, let's go.
And as you can hear, that voice will come out from your factory speakers. And if you want to listen to some Pandora, and even a phone call.
Who do you want to call?
Vincent Lee.
Calling Vincent Lee. Mobile.
Okay, and then also pretty obvious, but just to let you know, everything will work while the vehicle is driving, so there's not going to be any sort of interference while the vehicle is in motion. Alright, and if you ever want to get out of your Apple CarPlay, all you have to do is press your power button twice, and it'll get you out. And then you could go ahead and use any of your factory sources as normal. And then another thing, just so you know, your backup camera continues to work. Okay, now let me go ahead and do a quick demonstration on the Android Auto side. So using the same USB plug over here, you unplug the Apple iPhone, and if you connect an Android device, we have a Samsung S9 Plus here. Okay. It will automatically go into this menu. It says welcome to Android Auto, unlock to continue. Okay, just go ahead and just press continue to all of them. Okay, and now the Android Auto is showing. Okay, and this phone too, you could just keep it locked and utilize the factory screen for all the different type of functionality that you would expect on a normal Android Auto. Alright guys, well that concludes our demonstration on our Android Auto and Apple CarPlay interface kit for Toyota models. If you have any additional questions, please give us an email at info@bsonicusa.com. Don't forget to press that subscribe button below for some more awesome content in the future. Thank you.